Hello friends, happy new year to all of you, and welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations. Today we are doing a sewing project, and we are recycling our old jeans and we're gonna turn into a lady skirt. So let's head over to the project. Alright, so for this project I have my old jeans here, and I am using seam ripper here, and I already have opened my jeans from side. So if you can see, it's already open from all sides. And then I did one more thing on the back, because I wanted to use these pockets from back too. So I have opened them half because I'm gonna use them back. So I'm just gonna flip them on the top so they're not cut with the other fabric. Right, so now this is safe. Even we are start cutting, we know these petals will be safe. The next part I'm doing here, and then the other thing we're gonna do, we're gonna bring our pockets outside, so we are protecting our pockets too, because we're gonna make sure our pockets stay safe too, because I want to use them too. Right, and now you can feel it, this part is empty and this part is empty. So now we're gonna start cutting, because the top part I'm gonna use as a belt, here on a zipper, and like a 2 inches the down to zip, and then I will start cutting. So total should be like like 10 inches. Yes, almost 10 inches. You can just eyeball and start cutting. A good thing is this is a flat tool, so that will help us to easy to sew here. All right, so now this part is already prepared for us, so we are not worried for this thing. This on the side, and then we have these petals. Now here's a tricky thing. We're gonna prepare like a petals for our skirt. Right, after lining up them here in the center, you see those two lines? You can see closely. We're gonna mark them. And all we're gonna just attach this part here and we'll sew our sides. So now we're gonna attach our top. Alright, as you can see, our putting our top and bottom part together, and we have sew our sides. It's look pretty final. Now as you can see, I had saved my back zippers, so I'm gonna attach them again on the back like they were already here, and that's it. Then our skirt will be done.
Piece of jeans fabric I have using from my old jean, and just take a piece here. Alright, cutting them straight line. Alright, so now here we're gonna take like 1 inch to 2 inch wavy style circles. We are cutting in a wave, not like a zigzag, but a wave. And that's it, as you can see here, and even here too. So we're gonna cut another piece too. Same, we gonna use this wave, just cut straight. So with the one cutting, we are creating 2 flowers. Take a needle, 1 thread. That's it. Right, go on the back, tie a knot. It's a beautiful flower. Then I have these diamonds from Michael stores. They are very, very nice. So I'm just gonna take one, glue in the center, and that's how we are preparing our flowers here. And then you can use them. So I'm using those flowers on this jean skirt which I made it. I will post a link in the description box too, and that was a fun project to do too. So I'm using them as my lace over here. So I put all, one layer first so I can see how many I need. Or do I have enough, or do I need to make more? I've seen so many people using them on bags. That's a good idea too.
Thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cyrus Creations. God bless you all. Bye.